Hare Krishna. So we have been seeing the Buddhi Yoga being described by Lord Krishna to Arjun, and this Buddhi Yoga section takes us from text 49 to 53. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 5 very, very deep verses wherein Krishna tells Arjuna to transcend the level of mind and senses. Why and how is the subject matter of these 5 verses. Yesterday and day before yesterday we have seen the first 2 verses of this entire concept, and Krishna says here now in text 51, Karmajam buddhi yuktahi phalam tyaktva manishinah janma bandha vinirmuktaha padam gachanti anamayam. He says, by thus engaging in devotional service to the Lord, great sages or devotees free themselves from the results of work in the material world. In this way, they become free from the cycle of birth and death and attain the state beyond all miseries by going back home, back to Godhead. Krishna has been extolling the glories of working without expectation to fruits of results, right from text 47. Is that possible for everyone? मैं काम करूंगा सब कुछ भगवान के लिए, पॉसिबल है क्या? अरे मेरी पत्नी, मेरे बच्चे, उनका हेल्थ, मेरा बैंक बैलेंस, मेरा बेसिक नेसेसिटीज, एक सोशल पोजीशन, इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी, ये सब कहाँ गया? सब कुछ भगवान के लिए. सो it is not easy to give everything to Krishna 100%. It is definitely not easy. So Krishna says, Karma Jam. Ja means to be born. That is why Janma, to be born. Aja, one of Krishna's names is Aja, one who is not born. So Krishna says, Karma Jam. Whenever there will be karma, there will be birth of what? Phalam. Whether it is good or bad, phala will be born whenever there is karma. As soon as we act for myself, as soon as I act for myself, we act for ourselves, karma will give results. So, Krishna says, if you cannot give 100% to me, if you cannot do karma with the consciousness that you are doing everything for me, at least after working, give up the results. Karma karo. इच्छा से कि अरे ये होना चाहिए, लेकिन एक बार हो गया कर्म, भगवान के ऊपर छोड़ दो. सो इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू एवरीथिंग, अरे मैं भगवान के लिए कर रहा हूं, स्टिल देयर इज अटैचमेंट, एटलीस्ट गिव अप द रिजल्ट आफ्टर द एक्टिविटी इज ओवर. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट दैट वी सी. यस, सो एंड मटीरियल नेचर, इट मेक्स अस गो थ्रू दिस. वी सी इन आवर स्टूडेंट लाइफ, everyone who wanted to crack the engineering or MBBS exams and we wanted to get merit, होता है क्या? हर कोई मेरिट आता है क्या? नहीं. We do our best and then we leave the results. We get married thinking everything will be fine, but after that some things happen, some things don't happen, we have to adjust and go ahead. We conceive a child, we want a boy or a girl, but then after conception we have to leave it to God. So attachment है, सब कुछ भगवान के लिए नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन अगर कुछ काम हो गया तो attachment छोड़ दो. What will happen? Then one will become Manishinah. That is the stage wherein sages or devotees work. So if you cannot do everything for Krishna, me, Krishna says, after doing everything, give up the results. If you are attached to results, what happens? Janma bandha. One gets caught up in the cycle of birth and death. If one is not attached to results, Janma bandha vinirmuktah. Krishna phrases it so beautifully. Mukta means free. Nirmukta, definitely, nishchayena mukta, definitely free. विनिर्मुक्त विशिष्ट रूपेण निश्चयेन मुक्त. There is no doubt about it that if you give up the results, ultimately you will achieve liberation, because it is the expectation to results of an activity that makes us go through, a living entity go through the repetition of birth and death. So even if I am not able to do everything, give up the result, काम हो गया, छोड़ दो उससे आसक्ति. Then what happens? Padam gachanti anamayam. Padam, position. So in this material world, whenever we get anything in this material world, there is a pada. This body is also a pada, and with that body comes an extension of padas. The body is itself a pada, it's a position. उसके साथ में मैं स्त्री हूँ, मैं पुरुष हूँ, मैं बच्चा हूँ, मैं माँ हूँ, मैं पति हूँ, मैं सेवक हूँ, मैं नौकर हूँ, मैं मालिक हूँ, इतने करोड़ का मेरा बैंक बैलेंस है. All these are pada. And all these padas, all these designations and positions, what they are doing? They are giving us amaya. Amaya means misery. So when we give up the cycle of birth and death, so whenever we give up the results of activity, padam gachanti anamaya, we will transcend to a plane where it does not give misery. Getting attached to results is only the cause of misery. Being free from attachment to results is padam anamayam. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna Krishna